resisting with violence.
I don't want to leave without my children. Let me go.
Let her go, man. My son over there.
She choked me and I'm throwing it in here. Look, it's one lady right here. Yes, she did. Yes, she did.
You stand up, my leg broke.
No, he had reached my throat, and I was tapped out. I couldn't breathe at all. Like,
Yes, he is.
He leaned on me, and he put me in a headlock, put down the ground, and I passed out almost. Like, I was like, it was there.
This encounter took place on June 27, 2023. The location was a commercial airline counter inside a major Florida airport. The suspect later told medical staff he could have killed the officer, but chose not to.
Listen, everybody's playing we're closed now.
I am I got it on camera. I got it on camera. Hey! Stop! Stop! 180.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
I got it all on camera.
180, we have traffic.
Turn the down. Hey, don't try to tighten this.
170, go ahead. Do you have a camera?
Another cuff.
Spirit ticket counter is where they're on level 3 on the A side. One secure 102212.
My kid! My kid!
180, do you still need a 44?
Could you let me go?
What's wrong with you guys? My leg is broken. I'ma stand up. My leg broken. Broke my fucking leg. My leg is broken. How the f*** stand up? My leg broke.
Hang up, guys.
Yeah.
Everybody in this water knows who the gotta go. That was in the police. Let him come. No, that's a lie. So you a black man out here doing this? Wow. You a black man out here doing this? How lying, man?
These are her two kids.
Please, you got him? Let's all get off the hills. Let's all get off my husband, please. Mom, over here. Right here. What is wrong with you? Responsibility. I have you talking. You're hurting me. Yeah, record. You recorded, baby. Record it.
Medical attention?
Yeah, I'm suing. Okay. No, my legs up. I'm suing. I have disability, and she choked me. My nephew got it.
Put her in a chair.
She choked me and she grabbed me and I screamed out of disability 5, 6, 7 times. Get off of me. I need to be out of these handcuffs. You're hurting my arms. My bones are weak.
I know. Well,
You're
stop
hurting
resisting.
me.
Quit pulling back.
The handcuffs on me.
Quit pulling back.
My kids. You know, baby, get my kids.
Quit pulling back.
Let that quit. Because you won't let me get my kids.
Quit pulling back.
Because you let me go from my baby. I gotta get my kids. I don't want to leave without my children. Let me go.
Let her go, man. My son over there.
Stop yelling.
Man, y'all gotta know record. Thank you, please. I have a disability. She's trying to drive me. I hope y'all got that on camera. She choked me and I'm throwing it in here. Look, it's one lady right here. Yes, she did. Yes, she did. Y'all had no camera. Thank you. She dragged me in the hospital.
Call the hospital. My leg is broken. You get charged that attempted murder too. You choked me. You made me attack me. You choked me out. You a liar. You a liar.
For him.
in the beginning.
Bro,
Stafford
no,
2616.
it's going more than that.
And then it went further.
Yeah. You can do whatever, you can give me all the looks you want, bro. I ain't that, first of all. So.
I don't know what you're talking about, man. Shut your mouth.
Alright, that's what it's got. He's catching more than that stuff, more than the battery.
I just saw when I was trying to get him off here. I saw you were under him. I couldn't see why.
He had reached my throat, and I was like tapping out. Like, I couldn't breathe at all. Like, I was so blacked out.
That ain't gonna work.
Yeah. So.
10 first. Tango 225. Did you have traffic?
Yeah, we got cars here too.
Hey, Corey, you need additional with,
He needs ambulance.
over there, you good?
Okay. This guy broke his leg.
We're good over here.
There you go.
I mean,
Who's just saying with violence?
when I say JP from,
We just had
We were all mangled.
Oh, I know.
I couldn't get to nothing.
no.
Well, I was standing there and I saw him. All I saw, because there's people in front of me, I had to push him out of the way because I saw him do that.
Yeah.
And then it was just, you were all over the place. Got a little crazy.
Yeah. It's on camera. It's alright. It's on camera. Yeah, then we were on the ground, dude. He had me like, I came down like this, and he was on top of me, and I was like, I was tapping out, bro. I couldn't see shit.
Florida law treats a chokehold against an officer as a matter of specific intent, not mere injury. Attempted murder under Section 782.04 requires proof the suspect intended to kill. Prosecutors typically rely on sustained pressure, targeted force, or the suspect's own statements to establish that intent. A more common charge, resisting an officer with violence, falls under Section 843.01. That felony only requires willful resistance involving violence or a credible threat of violence against a lawful officer. Battery on a law enforcement officer, under Section 784.07, elevates the charge automatically. Florida separates resisting with violence, a felony, from resisting without violence, a lesser misdemeanor. That distinction often decides whether a companion or bystander faces jail time or a simple citation. The governing standard for the officers is Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989. That ruling judges force from a reasonable officer's perspective in the moment, never with after-the-fact hindsight. A chokehold restricting an officer's airway satisfies the immediate threat factor almost automatically under that standard. Bystanders recording the incident were protected by a First Amendment right recognized throughout the 11th Circuit, including Florida.
I'm pulling him out and the girl dives on me like crazy. Attempted murder charge. Finally over.
This guy claims he broke his leg. Okay. He was reached behind the ticket counter, like they were screaming at each other, and I was like, alright, we're closed, everything's closed now. And he was like slamming their keyboard, right? And I was like, I pushed his hand, I was like, bro, you can't do that back there. He's like, don't touch me, he did a hit. And I was like, step back, continue doing that. He did a hit again, and then we locked up. And I was like, now you're going to jail. And he's a big boy. He leaned in, he leaned at me, and he put me in a headlock, went down the ground, and I passed out almost. Like, I was like, it was there. I think somebody got his arm back. And
I was on him, and then the girl dove on us.
And then his wife jumped on his back in the middle of it.
She's in the office area, so we got her controlled, but
he said his legs broke.
Edward, did you want any of her information that I have just that I ran?
no, it's fine. No criminal history. That's all I need. Okay.
Never always for that.
still
Airport 5.
Airport 5.
I'll be on with you.
Yeah, for 2225. Oh, 72 2225.
I am
It says that.
So none of the other ones, you're like, oh my God.
Oh, so they go into her.
You just want to knock her out.
Yeah, for sure.
Grading the encounter, officers earn a B- for restrained escalating force under extreme circumstances. The suspect earns an F for turning a refund dispute into a felony-level assault on an officer. The companion earns a D+ for physically entering an active struggle instead of stepping back. The lesson here is simple. Physical resistance almost always increases both criminal exposure and physical risk. Disputing a refund or an arrest is a legal fight, not a physical one. For bystanders, recording an encounter is protected, but physically joining a police struggle is not. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like covered in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more legal analysis of police encounters.